Hey Gilda.
Hello. I'm Gilda-Ai, your CVS chatbot assistant. How can I help you today?
So, what can you do for me?
I can give you real-time info on your machines, help you find and fix defects, troubleshoot problems, and even dig up manuals for you. Basically, I'm here to make your life easier.
That sounds pretty interesting, right? Come, let's take a look. Andrea, there seems to be an issue with the CVS on the CCM. What can Gilda-Ai do for me with this?
Just click on the alarm and the Ask Gilda-Ai button appears.
That's pretty cool, right? Gilda-Ai was actually able to analyze the alarm, figure out what's going on with the machine, and also provide us with a solution on how to get the machine running again. That's pretty interesting what Gilda can do, isn't it?